over there. It's over there.
Shoot over where?
Oh, no more.
Where is it? Where did it go? Go get the bullet. It's on the table. It's right there, honey. Right there. On the table. Yeah. Go get it. Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going?
It's underneath the table.
It's underneath the table? Can you pick it up? Oh, you found one.
I changed it that one.
You changed to that one? Okay.
I put okay there.
Okay.
And run back. It's over there.
Mhm.
It's over there.
You want to show over there? Okay. Oh, where did it go again? Did it go missing? Did you put it in? Oh, mommy found it over here. Over here, you see. It keeps dropping. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Sit over there.
You want to show over there?
It's too hard.
It's too hard? You forgot one thing, honey. What did you forget?
It's mommy talk.
Yeah, good job. Okay, you watch mommy. You pull this backwards. Watch mommy. Yeah, until you hear the click sound. Okay, and then you start shooting. Oh, there you go. Oh, did it land there? Let me see. Oh, it's right there. Go pick it up.
Just quick.
Good job.
Here, about it's harder. There. Okay. Everyone sit over there. Everyone mommy talk.
Okay, you watch mommy so that you can cock it yourself. Look over here. Pull backwards. Yeah, until you hear a click sound, right?
Yeah.
Good job. Oh, there you go. It's over there. Go pick it up.